This is the 2007 Acadia. I just finished changing the spark plugs, and all you need are a few tools. This is a 10mm ratchet. So for the coils, it will remove that coil bolt that you see down there. The next thing that you need is a screwdriver. And this tab is the tricky part. If you notice right here, to remove this gray tab, you have to bring this down a little bit with your screwdriver and then press on this black tab until you hear it click. I guess I've used this one a few times and it doesn't want to click. But it will click, and then you can remove it. This is a small, I would say a 3-inch screwdriver. You'll need this to remove those clips in the back. You'll have 3 spark plugs in the back. This small one is very handy for back there. After you pull the coil for the spark plugs, use your spark plug wrench. This is a 5/8 inch on a 1/2 inch drive. I had to use 3 different types of extensions to work my way around the motor. So this is a 5-inch extension. Up front here, I also had to use this 10-inch extension. In the back, I used a 5-inch and then a 3-inch extension. So it looks something like that. I first put on the 5-inch, had to snake my arm around the back. It's here on the left-hand side. You're going to have to snake in here. And with the light back there, you'll be able to find your way to the back 3. But put the 5-inch one first. Then you can add the 3-inch. Then add your 1/2 inch ratchet wrench on top of that, and you can remove those plugs. Putting the plugs back in, use the anti-seize. This helps a bunch. So put this on the threads of your anti-seize. I have everything here from AutoZone, but put that on your plugs. The neat thing, when that's on, the plugs go in easily. So when I have this inside on the plug, I will hand tighten. There's no chance you will cross thread, and the anti-seize allows that to thread in easily. This will tighten up, add your ratchet, maybe a 1/2 turn or so, and you are good to go. That's what it takes to change the spark plugs. Very easy, and good luck to you. Oh, one more tip before I say goodbye. See these 10mm bolts that hold the coil in? Be sure to pull those out with your hand and not with the socket that's on your ratchet. You don't want it to fall out, and I found out that they cost $5 a piece. I had to go buy one. There's one in here in the engine somewhere. Have a good day.